ugly Sunday morning in a church house upon the hill, Christian men had gathered to suppress their urge to kill. The sermon was full of bloodlust, and there were children in the room. I sat hunched on a back wall, nothing I could do but cry. Oh me, oh my, oh me, oh my. Wake up every morning with a pain that I can't blame. Me, oh my.
Seen a lot of hills here, Jed.
A couple of hills on a property this size, that ain't too bad. Besides, if you really need them gone, you can always level them.
Or can find something more flat.
But it won't be more cheap. Besides, you ain't seen the rest of it yet.
Oh me, oh my.
Well, what do you think? This gonna be enough for you?
Should be plenty, just for me and the wife. I could build a house right over there. Ain't that a pretty looking shed?
Shed?
You can include that?
What the hell? That shouldn't be there.
When was the last time you were out here, Jed?
I own a lot of land, buddy.
You got anything else then?
You said this is gonna be enough for you.
It's just that you didn't tell him about the hills and now this shed. God knows what else is out here.
The shed's not gonna be a problem. Come on, I'll show you. Just need to go down here and take a closer look, and I can have that shed out of here by tomorrow. Unless you want it, of course. Hello? Is there someone in here?
You don't know this person?
What do you want?
Sorry. We don't mean to bother you. We just didn't know anyone was out here. We don't mean you no harm.
Well, all right, Jared. Come on in.
No, that's quite all right.
Make yourselves at home.
If you don't mind my asking, Mr.
Oh, me? You just call me Dewey.
Right, Mr. Dewey. Well, my name is Jed, and this is my friend Hank. And it kind of looks like you've been here a spell.
Oh, yes. Long time. Really long time.
Please don't smoke inside my home. Thank you.
Well, with all due respect, Mr. Dewey, we're going to have to ask you to leave.
Leave?
That's right. I know you got your belongings here, but I think it's time for you to gather them and get on out now. Dewey.
Will you two be staying for supper?
You are hearing what I'm saying, ain't you? I need you off my property.
Jed, can we get out of here?
If you're not going to cooperate, Dewey, I'm going to have no choice but to involve the law.
Only cooking for two unless you boys tell me otherwise.
Damn it, Dewey, I'm serious.
For some fancy boots.
Did he say he's cooking for two?
Crazy bastard. Is there someone here with you, Dewey?
Sure there is. My new friends.
Listen here, you squatty motherfucker. No, I'm tired of this bullshit. You're lucky I don't drag you out of here by your overalls myself. Come morning, as soon as the sun will rise, the police will be standing right here. Not me, Dewey. Let's go, Hank.
Please, leave us alone. We ain't hurt nobody.
Ain't nobody here but you crazy bastard.
I have a son.
You ain't got no son. I done seen this whole place. It's not like he's got his own bedroom.
Oh, really? He's here. I'll go get him for you. Well, here he is. Isn't he just precious?
Holy shit.
He just brings me so much peace and joy, and I don't really know what I'd do without him. Been here so long, just us two, the two amigos, me and Chirp. We even wrote a song. I can play it for you. Come on, Chirp. You ready? Forever we've been together, and it's just us, me and my son. We live here, no one else is near. It's just us two, me and you.
Congratulations, Dewey. You're retarded.
I'm what? You didn't like it? I can play another one. Let me try another one. Hank and Jim, my new friends.
This life became
Chirp. Oh. No. What have you done? Go on, get out of here! I don't care if they take me away. You've taken everything already.
Come on. Come on, Jed.
Well, I'll be damned if that wasn't the craziest thing I've ever experienced. Well, you ready to sign some papers?
I don't want it.
What? Sure you do.
I said, I don't want it.
I told you I'd have him out of here by tomorrow. He should have never been here in the first place.
But he was, Jed. But he was. And that's his home.
what y'all came for.
Hey, Dewey, I have no earthly idea how we're gonna solve this, but I think this is a good start.
The house stands alone against the lake and sky. The kids playing in the front yard, and apple pie. The wife and I in the kitchen playing cards. Pushes and pulls the lake underneath the stars.